you're ready, we're gonna start in a comfortable seated position on the mat. Relax yourself completely. Now take a deep breath in, interlace your fingers, turn them upward, and reach up, creating length in your spine. Now bring the right arm to the ground and stretch the left side of your body, bending towards the right side. Open up your chest forward. With each of your exhalation, try to bend a little bit more. Come out of the pose and let's repeat with the other side. Exhale and bend towards the left side, opening up your chest forward. Slowly with your inhalation, come out of the pose. Now place your left palm on the right knee, twist towards the right side. Look towards the back. Slowly come out and repeat with the other side. Right hand on the left knee, twisting towards the left side from your belly button and spine straight. Come out of the pose, reach both of your arms up. Inhale, extend your spine. Exhale, bend forward as far down as you can. Keep your back straight. You can rock side to side if you like and notice how you feel. Gently come out of the pose and bring both of your feet together in a butterfly pose. Rock your knees up and down and feel the activation in your glutes, inner thighs, and the groins. Slowly come out of the pose and come to tabletop. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round. And let's repeat it 4 more times. One last time, exhale and move your body from left to right. Make as big circles as you can. Repeat this twice more. And then reverse the circle from right to left. Notice any area of stiffness or release you feel. This will improve the mobility of your spine, mobility in your wrist. Now slowly come back and hold the child pose for a few seconds and relax. Extend your arms towards the front edge of your mat. At the same time, try to place both of your sit bone on your heels. Now slowly walk your hands forward and place your forehead on the ground. Hip over the knees. Maybe you can place your chest on the ground if your body allows. Otherwise, you can stay here. Feel the lengthening in your lower back. Now slowly bring your belly on the ground and open up your chest forward into a baby cobra. Elbows on the ground. Make sure that you're using your back muscle, not just the elbows. Bring your chest down, tuck your toes, press your palm, and come to downward dog. Bend the knees one by one to activate the back of your thighs, the hamstrings. It is the most stiff area for the people who sit a lot. From here, step your left foot forward in between your palms. You can raise your arms up or maybe place the arms on the knees and hold the low lunge. Push your pelvis forward and down to feel the stretch in the front of your thigh, the hip flexors. Now place the right palm on the ground and raise the left arm up towards the ceiling and hold it here. Notice how the stretch feels different than the previous one. Now bring the arm down and straighten your front leg. Slightly bend forward if you can, otherwise you can stay upright. Another hamstring stretch. Slowly bend the knee and step back into downward facing dog. Let's repeat the same stretches on the right side. Right foot in between the palms, reach up, or maybe you can place your palms on the knee and hold the low lunge. For a deeper stretch, you can push your pelvis forward. Now bring the left arm on the ground, right arm reaches up. Gentle twist towards the right side. Do you feel any difference in sensations compared to the left side? Slowly bring the right arm down, straighten the front leg. You can bend forward or you can stay upright, whichever feels right today. Hold it here, feel the sensations in the back of your knee and the thighs. Slowly bend the knee and step back into downward facing dog. Bring your hip down and lie down on your back. Slowly lift your hips up, squeeze it, squeeze the thighs and also the lower back. Feel the stretch in your abs. Now bring the hip down, hug your knees and rock side to side. Feel the gentle massage in your lower back. The final pose of today is the happy baby pose. So hold the big toes of both of your legs and bring the knees as close to the ground as you can. You can rock side to side and just feel the release in your glutes. Relax here. Good job, you have made it to the end. So relax yourself in Shavasana Don't forget to repeat this routine 3 to 4 times a week for a better result. See you next time.